In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on Sony TV. So let's get started, okay? So the method one is to install Stremio from the Play Store if visible, okay? So as you can see, this is an example of a Sony TV, and here I can see I have the Google Play Store app. So I can just go ahead and open it. Then I can search Stremio, and if it shows up, I can just directly install it, and that's done. Now sometimes you don't see Stremio in the Play Store, okay, because it happens in some countries. For that, you'll have to use the method number 2, which I'm going to go over, okay. Now this method is installing Stremio APK on Sony TV, okay. So the first step is to install the downloader app, okay. So just go to your Google Play Store, search up downloader, and download this particular app, okay. Then you'll have to enable unknown sources, okay. Now this is something you have to do from the TV. So you have to open the TV settings, you have to go to apps, special app access, and then select install unknown apps and enable it for downloader. These are the steps. You can just go ahead and see: settings, apps, special app access, install unknown apps, and enable it for downloader, okay. Then the next step is to download the Stremio APK. So for that, you just have to open the downloader app, and this is how it should look like. You'll have this box right here where you can put in a URL. So here you'll have to put in this particular URL, which is stremio.com/downloads. So just type this in the URL search box. Then you'll have to select the Android TV version, okay, not the mobile version, the Android TV version. Just go ahead, click on download, and then install it. Then you can just open Stremio, log in, install add-ons, and start watching, okay. So that's basically the main two methods. However, there is a third method, okay, but it might or might not work, and this is with USB installation. So you download the Stremio Android TV APK on your laptop or phone. You put the APK on a USB drive and then insert the USB into your Sony TV. Then you open the file manager on your TV and install the APK, yeah. So that's just a quick method 3 if you can try that out as well, okay. But method 2 and method 1 are the go-tos. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.